Break the mold to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. This is a plastic thing, which reminds me of manufacturing, which reminds me of molds, because molds are common in manufacturing. Manufacturing is my favorite type of business to build, grow, and work with. So our idiom today for supersize your business is to break the mold. The absolute origin of this idiom is unknown or uncertain, but they suspect it comes from manufacturing. Because in manufacturing, a mold is a template or a form that is used to make parts or make things like toys are plastic molded. There's a mold that plastic is extruded into, and then the parts are formed through that. But what does it mean as an idiom? To break the mold means to go against conventional wisdom, to do something new and different and think outside the box when it comes to solutions to problems and situations and solving problems. One thing I love about manufacturing is there's always little intricate problems that need to be solved, or things that can be tweaked and changed and improved to get better results. And that's true of all of our businesses, especially as we're growing and supersizing it. So this idiom encourages us to think differently, look at problems and solutions in order to find solutions that are different than what other people are doing. And when we do that, gives us a competitive advantage, which is how we grow and build and supersize our business. People come to us because we have a solution that's custom made and perfect for them. Maybe not custom tailored, but it's tailored to a group of people's needs. And it's different than what's been done before. It doesn't mean we're always creating something original. I'll tell you what, in the online world versus the offline world, there's so much copycatting. It's hard to be unique and different and stand out. That's why it's so important to create and find ways to look at things differently. Go back to the origin of the problem. Recently read an article about, I can't remember who, I think it was about Elon Musk and the way he approaches problem solving. I think it was, I can't remember, there's a name for it, but it's like the primary thing. Abel would know the answer to this. But we want to make sure that as we're building and growing our business, we are creating it in a way and we're providing solutions to people that aren't what everybody else is doing. That's the only way we're going to supersize and grow our business. Love to know your experience with this. Have you broken the mold ever? I've gotten accused of breaking the mold and breaking a lot of things, but I always know how to fix them, right? Or I always find a way to fix the thing that's broken. And it's usually a creative solution, because I think creativity is really, really powerful. All right, if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Go break some molds today.